So someone asked me, did I buy all of my gold teeth at one time, or did I piece it out and say I'm gonna go get one here, two there, three there, and then I got eight that I got now. No, I went and got all of my eight at one time. I actually had four that I had got um, when I first got out of prison, and then I got those four snatched out, and I went in and I got all eight at one time, and I actually got lucky and got and hit a contract job a little after I moved to Phoenix, and I was able to get some money. Well, I guess it was a year after I moved to Phoenix. That's what it was. It was like the next year after I moved here. I hit a contract and it actually opened up some doors. I was able to pay some bills, and I told my wife, I'm like, hey, I want to go on and go to St. Louis and get my stuff redone. So I shot out, went up there, made an appointment, got all eight of them done, shot back to Phoenix, and went right back to work. I mean, it was like a 2 day thing. I made an appointment, seen some loved ones while I was down there, and hit the road. But I actually made my gold teeth money from welding. Literally, I hit a real good lick. I actually made $65 an hour for 2 weeks, working 8 hours a day, 40 hours, a 40-hour day deal. And I had to buy my gas, my welding rods. I had to get the cutting blades and things of that nature. But other than that, I still won. Like I did good. So I used that money to actually buy more tools and then do some things for myself. So I went and snatched out the four that I had that really wasn't that good and went and got me some more. So I actually did this from welding. So a lot of people be like, man, you probably was hustling, man, and you was on the block, man, you know what I mean? And you was, nah, I was welding, saved my money, and went and got what I wanted. And honestly, man, to anybody that's grinding, man, I mean, this welding trade, bro, you just don't know. There's so much you can do. There's so much money you can make. There's so many opportunities in it. And we just look at it as being hard or being complicated, but it really isn't. You just got to learn it and be open to it, be open to change, be open to a better opportunity. And that's why people ask me all the time, you look like you in the streets, but you're not. And I was like, nah, I'm not in the streets. You might see me with gold, my beard, and I like to take care of myself when I'm not working. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not in the streets, bro. I'm welding. I'm welding, fabricating, and installing, making damn good money independently. And I want to teach others to do it because I know it's a great asset, especially for us black men. Hold on.